Hello and welcome to Cashparency. This series is all about sharing the experience, my perception, and all those. For your kind information, I would like to tell you that this series is going to be in English for some reasons. First of all, I want to say sorry for making this video after a long gap. Just because I have some personal reasons and I don't even want anyone else to talk with my investor or my people, so that I was just trying to find some time to talk with you guys. I want you to listen to this session very carefully. These are very informative session where I can say where I'm going to share the experience about what I have learned from trading, what is trading, and what are the important factors that affect your trading journey, and what are the things I learned in these journey of 4 years. So once again, welcome to Cashparency. Here is a general risk disclaimer. Whatever we do in Cashparency is totally for educational purposes. I would like to suggest you to go to your independent financial advisor before making any financial decision that will be more suitable for you. You will have to, hang up the video for some time, or pause the video for some time and read this. These are important things about me, my firm, and the general risk disclaimer. So these are something which is more important and most asked question. So what is most needed in the trading journey? The first thing which is needed in the trading journey is you should learn to control the emotions. Now how you gonna do that? That is the most difficult part. When you are in a trade, that is most difficult to control your emotions, in my opinion, in my perception and my experience. What I would like to suggest all the people or whoever talks to me is like, have a trading plan. Have a trading plan. Okay, not just a trading plan in your head, like you are thinking of buying something and these are the plans, and you just have like a okay plan in your mind. You have to have a trading plan. Don't just put the trading plan in your head, write it down. Don't think of stop loss in your head, put the stop loss, plan everything before going into the trade. And the most common question which is asked, is trading easy? I will directly say no, it's not easy. Can you make money from trading? Yes, you can. I made, you can make, anyone can make trading. Trading is not easy, but it's doable. You can make money from trading. It takes patience, time, and practice. Actually, trading is something which you can learn from practicing. You can't learn to control your emotion by listening to someone, or by listening to Cashparency, by listening to me, or whatsoever. One more question that is asked by a client. uh, Everyone says health is important, health is important. Is health important for business? Yeah, so health is very important for business. If you are dead, you are literally out of business. Okay, serious is cancer. I always say serious is cancer. This is something which is funny, but health is very important. Health is like one. Health is one, then relationship is a zero, then money is again a zero, and you can put all these zeros and have all the money. That is why health is important. I always say health is one, and then other things like money, relationships, families, these are zeros. You can put as many as zeros you want, and you can go literally to infinity. Now, indicators, like most of the indicators are available on the market. One of the indicator that we sell on Cashparency, you can check the link below in the description. We have all the digital programs listed on that page. So what is indicator? If indicator, like everyone has access to the many indicators, there are many more indicators. Few of them even I don't listen, and few are even every day they create new indicators. There are new things. The indicator is generally a bias about the future. It's a bias. Okay, what the indicator and the trading strategy, they have a relationship. Indicator is all about creating the bias about the future. Okay, and the strategy is all about combining those bias to have a view about the market, have the view about the trading. These are few things which I wanted to brief you. So this session is just information, what do we say, informative session. So I'm going to talk about many more things here, so stay with the video. Truth, some truth that I wanted to tell you. Some people I have seen that they wanted to trade, become a full-time trader with an account of 10,000 or 50,000. This is like unrealistic thing. Don't try to be a full-time trader on a 1,000 rupees account or a 50,000 rupees trading account. That's unrealistic. You can have a separate business or a separate income coming in. You should have a separate business or separate income coming in, so that you can remove the additional pressure. I wanted to talk about this because I have seen many of the people making mistakes, making like, you might come to the situation where you have seen that you made a loss, then you traded again just to cover the losses and make one more loss, and then one more loss. And I have seen many people vanishing from the market just because of this additional external pressure. So to cut down this external pressure, to get the emotional stability, you should have to have a additional income. Don't try to be a full-time trader having a 10,000 rupees account or 50,000 rupees account. That is totally unrealistic. Actually, our industry, our finance industries, mostly like, commonly the stock market industry is full of selling dreams. People are here, even I remember a event, not just a event. It was just a casual meeting with a person, a friend of friend. Like, I have a friend and his friend. We were talking in a cafe, and he was like, telling me, unrealistic, unrealistic plan where you can invest 30,000 and get 2,000 without doing anything. That's totally fraud. That's totally unrealistic. That is not like, you can't do this. This is unrealistic and this is a scam. So people are here in the industry, in our industry, basically what people are doing, people are selling the dreams. That's unrealistic. You should have this, mentality of having 10, 15, 20% return. Maximum you will get like 30% return. So having a 10,000 account and earning 30% a month is like, what? It's a boring and mind sucking job. If someone tell me that, trade with 1,000 rupees account, that is even unrealistic. I will not prefer trading those accounts. Even though in Cashparency's live video I have shown many trades by doing 3,000 rupees and to making out of like 50% return or 60% return. That's something which takes time, which takes experience to do so. But the thing is, if someone tell me that, keep this 1,000 rupees account or 50,000 rupees account and make 30% return per month, that's something which even I would avoid. That's a boring job. That can't even help to, help my own financial situation. Stop losses. I always wanted to talk about this topic, and I always suggest people to have a tight stop loss. So here, I have written something: never be afraid to make a mistake. You don't need to be afraid of making a mistake. Only make those mistakes which you can afford, so that you can leave to make another. Mistakes will give you experience. Mistake will give you lessons you should focus on. Two simple rules I suggest to everyone I work with, or I talk with, or my subscribers, or my buyers, my clients. Firstly, you should never ever trade without a stop loss. Stop loss is the most. Okay, I'll show you on the next slide why stop loss is most important thing. And never risk a small portion of your account or on any of the trade, no matter how much confident you are. If you are trading a 80% accurate strategy, you don't even know that which trade is going to make your money. The thing is, every trade is separate. The chances of being profitable and being loss is like 50-50 on every trade. Either you are trading 80% accurate strategy or trading a 10% accurate strategy. This is the fact. This is the fact which I wanted to tell you, which I always share to you, and this is the harsh reality you should go through. So what two simple rules. The first one is never ever trade without stop loss, and the second one is never risk a small portion of your account. This will allow you to come to the market next day, so that you can use the experience which you learned from the last from the last losses or from the last trade. Everyone learn. Either like two people come in the market every day, one with the money and the second one with the experience, and both of them go home by taking something from the market. The one who come with the experience will go with the money, and the one who comes with the money without experience will go with experience, or go with something which he learned. Now the thing is, why stop loss is important. This infographic will tell you why stop loss is important. Like these are the hand works like a stop loss that will prevent all your money that is out of stop loss, so that you have more chances. Like you have seen in this infographic, this is the demonstration of a stop loss. This is more important to do. Now let's jump into this portfolio. People are asking what how to make a portfolio, what is portfolio. I always say all the time, your portfolio should reflect your view. If it doesn't, change the portfolio. Portfolio is all about having a view. One more harsh reality I want to tell you is, don't start buying the market just because it has fallen 50 points. Nobody knows it can fall 50 points more. And I even suggest you don't even being afraid of buying something which is, which is already up by 50%. It can go up to infinity in the theory, okay, and it can even come down, okay. So the thing is, don't just afraid of don't just I'm saying afraid, I'm sorry for this. Don't just rush to buy cheap things. Like market has fallen 50 point, you are thinking it's cheap, let's go and jump and just buy it. This is not the way market works. The vast majority of people go wrong just because of this concept. The vast majority of people go wrong. The market is fallen, people are thinking that okay, let's buy it for cheap. Just because they think it's cheap, it's not cheap. Cheap can go more cheaper. This is why most of the people go wrong in the market. The market doesn't operate on these principles, to be very sorry to tell you, but the market doesn't operate on these principles. I always say, learn the skill, focus on the trading strategy. Don't focus on how much money you're gonna make. Focus on either your strategy gonna work, either all your situation gonna work. This will increase the odds of success in your trading journey. If you are always thinking about making a money, this is not your industry. Even stock market is not easy. Why it will be easy? Like why it would be easy? It it's like a combination of all the businesses. You should understand about all the businesses, right? You will deal with the pharma industry, the automobiles, the the tech industries, and all those. You should have a knowledge. So you think that it's like having all those companies, understanding all those companies, and trading all those companies is easy? No, you should learn about the things. Market take time, take experience, market gives you experience, and many more things. That trading is not easy, that is totally understandable. Can you make money? Yeah, you can make money from trading. That's real. People are making billions, even people are making lakhs in a day. But the thing is, it needs time, it needs consistency. This is your account. I just wanted to show you a small demonstration of your account. If you don't put the stop loss, you had seen everything is falling, and now these four blocks which are standing will also fall if you don't have a stop loss. So once you don't have space to make mistake, you will be vanished. Now people come with this like a stock market is gambling, intraday is gambling, and all those. Bro, you are taking it as a gambling. It's not a gambling. You have to manage your risk. You have to know what's your risk taking capacity. I have seen people trading option without even knowing the Greeks of option, ABC of the option. They are just trading it as a lottery ticket. So yeah, this is gambling for them. But the expert who is sitting there, who is trading, he has a knowledge of Greeks. He has a knowledge of how options are created. I am going to give you a link of all my trading programs that we provide in Cashparency.org. So you should go. We are sooner or later this month we are going to launch a option trading strategy, the complete option strategy, where we will tell you about a hedging strategy, even many more things. You will learn the Greeks of the option. you can check out the link. Right now that product is not yet available for the buyers that we provided to the earlier buyers, but that will be sooner or later, that will be available on the website. So you can check the link below to learn about the option strategy or the swing trading strategy. We have a various programs listed over there. You can see whatever suits you. So this was a brief lecture. This was a brief introduction, a lecture just to motivate you, just to let you know what market is all about, what we are doing here at Cashparency. I am the CEO of the Cashparency, and I hardly managed this much time to make this video, and I think this is much more important to talk about rather than talking about the strategy. People are here on YouTube making strategies every day, like I don't know from where they come up with this much of huge strategies, but it's okay. There is a strategies, but nobody talk about this. So I wanted to talk about this, so I made this video. I hope you find this helpful. If you find this helpful, go to the channel. There are many more informative videos, live trading videos, the trading proofs and everything. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for being with me. Have a nice day. And one more thing, if you want it in Hindi, please do write us on ask.cashparency.org. I will literally convert it in Hindi, and I will tell you. I think it's like 3:12 a.m. and I was more comfortable talking to you in this language. I just finished up with a meeting with Digit. Sooner or later, we are collaborating with Digit Insurance, Go Digit Insurance. So this information will be emailed you if you have signed up on our website. So thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much for being with Cashparency. Have a nice day. Good luck for your trading. I hope this will add some values to your knowledge. Thank you so much.